bro, we barely escaped the ventilations, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, wait, that's a beehive. You should go in there. I dare you.
Okay.
It's like abandoned or something. It has to be, bro. Just go in there. I'll just watch behind you, okay? Oh yeah, take all the food, bro. It's gonna be so yummy. It's gonna be so munchy, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be so,
gonna be so good, bro.
munchy, munchy.
Yo, wait. No. 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 You killed my best friend. You monster. You monster. You killed my best friend.
Get out of my house!
Ah!